If you are watching this video, it's very likely that you may have relapsed on your journey at least once. We all know the feeling, the guilt, the shame, thinking that all your progress has been lost. We've all been there. But as the saying goes, it's all about learning from your failures. If you have ever analyzed why you relapsed, you would agree that it comes down to 4 triggers. These are also abbreviated as HALT. These 4 triggers are hunger, anger, loneliness, and being tired. Anytime you find yourself in any one of these triggers and you allow yourself to stay there, you are basically asking for a relapse. In particular, loneliness is one of the biggest of these. Most men relapse late at night when they are all by themselves, or they just came back from work, tired and hungry. At this point, you are already halfway to a relapse. This is the time when you need to slap yourself and snap out of the triggers. Go to the gym, even if you don't feel like it, or simply go and spend time with a family member. Anything that will snap you out of the 4 major triggers called HALT. So simply put, anytime you get a NoFap urge, stop for a moment. Breathe in and think with a clear mind. Which of the 4 triggers am I experiencing right now? And then do the exact opposite. For example, if you are hungry, then go eat. If you are angry, then do some breathing exercises to calm down, and so on. It all comes down to transmutation. Whatever you do to snap out of these 4 triggers is called sexual transmutation. You are redirecting your sexual energy to build yourself up. Now, to be fair, most of us know these tricks and tips already. But today we want to show you some more unconventional tricks that every man should have in their back pocket. Let's start with some ways to avoid the urges altogether. A brief disclaimer. Urges are in fact your best friend. You need them to become more masculine and driven. But especially if you are a beginner. Then here's what you can do to avoid these urges and stay strong on NoFap. These include: wear thick pants with a belt. Only go to bed when you are about to sleep. Get out of bed immediately after waking up. And stop mindlessly scrolling on the internet. What you just heard are also the best ways to develop self-discipline. Remember, self-discipline is key, because the one who conquers himself is greater than him who conquers a city. And of course, the biggest one. Learn to keep yourself in public areas. You might think that I am an introvert, or I don't like being in public areas. Well, take this as an opportunity to build your social skills, and forget all the different labels people will have you believing, like introvert or extrovert. You choose who you want to become. If your mind thinks that you are an introvert, then guess what? That's how you will behave. Now, let's talk about some displacement activities. These are transmutation activities to redirect your energy. One of the best transmutation habit is working out. Now, this might sound cliché, but it works. And of course, don't forget your legs. They are one of the best muscles to boost your overall muscle growth and your testosterone. Other activities include drawing, going for a walk, talking to someone, or fixing and making something. Because remember, we as men are by habit designed to build and construct. So make use of this primal drive. With all that said, one of the best hacks you can take away from today's video is that every day is day one. Listen to that again. Every day is day one, regardless of how many NoFap days you have accomplished. By having this mindset that every day is day one, you automatically bring your mind back to the basics. Anytime you forget the basics, you are already halfway to a relapse. And finally, if you tried all of this and still feel the urge, which is very unlikely, then go have a cold shower. For some, cold showers are too traumatic. Then you can also simply wash your face with cold water until the urge passes. And always remember, this is just the phase 1 of NoFap. The ultimate NoFap mindset is about living for purpose, not pleasure. It's a lifestyle, not a challenge. Men that put their purpose over their pleasure are bound for glory. Brothers, don't forget to show some love if you found this video helpful. Gently tap that subscribe button and leave your thoughts in comments below. See you in the next video.